Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Women Inspire Women. So I'm so happy to have this show. This is all about us, about women, and it's going to have a lot of inspiring stories, inspiring journeys, and a lot of motivational talks and about health, about weight loss and cooking, food, diet, and so many things, and a lot of laughter and humor as well. So I'm so happy to have my first guest, Elena Savoor, who is the founder and director of Laugh and Next, and a woman who fixes other women's crown, and a woman who crafts a diamond and makes it shine. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go meet her. She's waiting for us. What are we making today?
So today we are making a Mangalorean specialty called Kori Kashi.
Okay.
Okay, it can be made with fish, it can be made with any kind of seafood, and it can be made with chicken.
Wow.
We've never tried.
So
for starters, now let's just take
what
chicken.
we're taking now. Okay.
Okay, in chicken we're going to add. We're just going to marinate it for half an hour. If it can be done overnight, it will be better. But we'll put chili powder, chili to taste, because kids have to also eat.
Not tried this recipe. I've not actually had this recipe before. I've had other Mangalorean recipe.
Mix it up. See to it that you mix it up really well.
So this, how much time should we marinate this, or we just?
I generally just put this
overnight.
Okay. And just refrigerate it after you put in the masala.
Okay. So this is already hot.
So now now first is we're going to all the spices we're going to dry roast it along with coconut.
Along with coconut.
Yeah.
Right.
So for chilies, this is the khada masala or the the whole garam masala on
So
too much
you won't
high heat. अभी इसमें हम डाल देंगे कोकोनट क्या हो जाएगा we'll add the jeera. Okay.
अच्छा, now
I'll tell you about my cooking journey. ठीक है तो so now once this is done, now that it is done, we'll just turn it off.
Okay.
And transfer it into a bowl.
Yeah.
बस
अभी क्या डाला इसमें तुमने? कोकोनट
बस
ऑयल?
कोकोनट ऑयल डाला और अनियन डाला.
अच्छा.
और मैं जितना मिलाते हैं ना उसको उतना ज्यादा प्यार जब जाता है तब डिश ना और भी अच्छा बनता है. अभी ये हो गया. सो अभी इसको ना थोड़ा टाइम ठंडा होने के लिए रखना है. इमीडिएटली मिक्सर में नहीं डालना है.
I'll turn this off.
यस प्लीज. इसको इमीडिएटली मिक्सर में नहीं डालना है. इसको ठंडा करना है. नहीं तो मिक्सर ना ऊपर सीलिंग पे हो जाएगा. दिवाली हो जाएगी. दिवाली से पहले कम दिवाली. We'll keep this थोड़ा ठंडा होने के लिए, and then we mix this and grind it together and make a fine paste. Right. करेक्ट. तो उसके बाद जो ड्राई स्पाइसेस हमने रोस्ट किया था, that along with this onion and garlic, we are going to make the paste.
Yeah.
Along with coconut milk. We will not make the paste with water. इसमें पानी.
There's no water added in the dish at all. Wow, it's gonna be nice, creamy, no?
Creamy.
Lovely.
Creamy हो जाता है.
Done.
So this has to cool down for some time.
Done. Until it gets cooled down, do we have to do something with the chicken?
कुछ नहीं.
Okay. So once this is done, only then the next step goes.
We have to just put all this in the mixer. हो गया उसके बाद.
उसके बाद chicken डालो and ये डालो and ये डालो.
Done.
Okay, done. Until this gets cooked or whatever, ठंडा होने के time तक, we'll come and we'll sit and we'll chit chat. Come. Did somebody inspire you in this whole journey of yours, or you just wanted to be like, no, I want to do something for myself, and you started yourself?
Maybe I never had an inspiration.
You never had.
For this particular industry, but I did have a mother who was a very wise woman who gave me a lot of knowledge. Yeah. Motivation. I think I always had it within me. But sometimes you also need external motivation. For that, she was there from time to time. But mostly, I would say she gave me a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom about life. How to be financially independent, and so on and so forth.
That's great. That is very.
And that was from a very young age.
Yeah.
So if I have to say, she is my greatest inspirations
Yeah.
in that aspect.
That's a very beautiful thing.
But for this particular industry, I wanted to get into it, and there was an objection from a lot of people also in terms of relatives when I started my company and all of that. But it was something that I believed in, so I just wanted to go ahead and get done with it.
See, one thing what I believe in is the day you stop thinking about who's thinking what about you is the day you start doing good for yourself and living for yourself.
Absolutely.
That is the seen Alina, who was kind of a laddu, plumpy, and that kind of. I have seen you that way, okay?
A lot of people used to call me Aane Mari also.
What does that mean?
Aane Mari and Karna baby elephant.
That is so cute. Baby elephants are actually very cute. So those days you were like that, right? So what made you suddenly, when I saw you after so many years, I was like, what? Is this Leena already? She's become so lean. So what took you, when did you take that step that you wanted to lose weight and you want to become fit?
I was almost 89 to 90 kilos
Oh
at
my
that
God.
time. And I said, no, this is not done.
Yes.
I have to do something about my weight. I have tried several diets, went dietitian to dietitian, but nobody could do what my fitness coach ultimately did for me. That is understanding my needs and giving me a sustainable diet. So from 90 kilos, I came down to 48 kilos in
Wow.
6 months.
Amazing, yeah.
And this included 4 hours of workout with Cult,
Okay.
2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening, and a very good fitness coach.
What
and a
kind of a
nutritionist.
workout was it? Weight training or?
So it was a
yeah,
combination.
cardio?
So it was strength and conditioning. It was Zumba. You need cardio, you need strength, and you need yoga for flexibility.
Yes.
Right? So it was a combination of all of
All of
this.
these.
Okay, and there used to be boxing also in Cult, but I never took a liking to it. So I continued with just this, and 4 hours I would work out with a very sustainable diet. So my nutritionist gave me I was very clear with him. I told him, look, I'm a foodie.
Okay.
I
so
love
you
to
wanted
eat.
everything. You wanted to eat everything.
Yeah, that was my first thing. Second is I love chocolates. I'm not going to compromise on my chocolates and my sweets. And third thing is I want a diet in such a way which is going to help me in the long run. And I wanted something which is long term. So today, even if I do not work out, I put on like 3-4 kilos of weight.
If you don't.
Those extra pounds that come onto me, I'm always able to shed it off a lot quicker because of a very good nutritionist in my life. Okay, so he did exactly what I wanted.
Nutritionist is very important in life. That is what you're
A
saying.
good fitness coach, and for me, I was lucky. He's a fitness coach and a nutritionist, and
Okay.
in both the areas, he's very good.
Okay.
So for me, it was a blessing that I got 2 people in one.
So how was that journey of yours? Were you depressed or you were enjoying your diet
Not
and
at
workout?
all. Oh my God.
How was the whole journey?
Where do I even start telling you? I enjoyed completely because as a fitness coach, like I told you, he would do, and when I started training with him, when we started personal training, he would really do different kinds of workouts, and he never made it boring. He would always make it interesting for me. So I never got bored because I am somebody who gets bored very quickly. Same thing na treadmill pe every day. If I have to go in the morning and walk on the treadmill for at 6 o'clock, 2 दिन में I'll say I'm bored.
Yeah.
तीसरा दिन तो मैं बिल्कुल भी
that
नहीं
is what
जाऊंगी.
मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको. So sometimes what happens is when you're doing the same thing every day and
Correct.
same khana also you start eating. No, it's kind of boring and you lose interest.
Yes. Again, in Mangalorian food, if you see, we make boiled rice. So how do we make the boiled rice? We put excess water. We boil the rice in that, and the foam that settles on the top, that is the starch. Now that is not healthy for the body.
So that
So
you
that
strain
needs
that.
to be removed.
Removed,
No,
yes.
while you're cooking the
Okay,
rice also,
yeah,
upar
yeah,
se,
yeah.
you
Right.
have to keep taking it off. first. And you keep adding more water till the rice boils. So what you're doing in that is you're removing all the starch. So the bad part of the rice has gone in the starch. अभी जब भी लोग कुकर में राइस बनाते हैं ना, that is the time वो पानी रह जाता है.
I remember doing that.
That is when पानी रह जाता है. पानी जब रह जाता है वो स्टार्च उसके अंदर ही रहता है.
Right.
तो वो वाला राइस खराब है. So Mangalorians we eat only boiled rice. हम लोग कुकर में राइस कभी नहीं बनाते.
And what about this ganji thing? Yeah, I think.
Oh, that's really good.
You
That's
guys
similar.
drink that, no?
Yes,
the
yes.
rice
Put
water.
a little bit of salt, rice water.
Yeah, that's
good
kind
for
of
the skin
very
also.
healthy, right?
Yeah.
Lovely for the skin.
And when I take out that starch from ऊपर से ना, what I do is थोड़ा सा निकाल के मैं बोल में साइड में रख लेती हूँ. एंड उसको ना फेस पैक जैसे फेस पैक जो बनाते हैं बेसन के साथ,
That's why your skin is glowing, I think. Naturally.
नहीं
So your skin का glow का राज is rice water that बचाओ.
नहीं उससे.
Tell me, how important is a healthy lifestyle for you? Do you follow a healthy kind of a lifestyle, or you just dine out whatever you want to eat, or you're not least bothered, since you're also busy with your work and everything, since you're a working woman, business woman, I'm sure you don't get time. So who decides your menu, or you yourself do it yourself, and how it goes when it comes to healthier food and diet?
See, I'm a foodie. So for me, health starts with the mind.
Mindset.
It first starts with the mind.
100%.
When you're speaking about health, it's not just physical health, but it's a combination of mental health and physical health. You need to have a balance of both.
Right.
Because, say for example, you want to work out. Okay? You're losing weight.
Right.
But if you're going to be stressing about it and it's not showing you results, and if you start thinking negatively about that, you're never going to end up losing weight.
Right.
So you need to have a very strong mind if you want to achieve that goal.
Yeah.
And the weighing scale shows lesser numbers with every passing day. So it's mental health and physical health. It's a combination of the two that determines your lifestyle.
Yeah.
On the
definitely.
whole. So I don't do very heavy workouts. Yes, I used to work out. Now that I live in Goa, I used to work out in a gym very close to home. I did that for about 6-8 months. But now the only thing that I do is run on the beach.
That is amazing.
Yes.
Like a Rangila. Like how Urmila used to do.
No, I don't do all of that. I don't do.
No, that's...
And as far as food is concerned, one is I like to eat ghar ka khana.
Yeah.
I cook at home, right from breakfast, lunch, dinner. Now,
you cook yourself?
I cook myself. We are talking about healthier lifestyle. It's always advisable to eat. Now, I'm not a fitness coach. I'm only telling you things that I have been doing.
Yeah, it'll be great. It's gonna really help.
That I have been doing, and a few things here and there which I may add is what my fitness coach, Mr. Shubhav Rao, he has told me some of it. So we, that is my daughter and myself, we have our dinner by 6:30.
Yeah. Do you include carbs also in that?
Yes, everything. Protein, carb, you know, for the fibers you require, the fat that is required, the healthy fats which are required, all of that. The healthy fats come with coconut oil. The proteins come from either fish or chicken. Then the nutritional value, the minerals, the vitamins, all that comes from the vegetables.
Right.
And then there is carbs as well. I make rotis.
Yeah. Which rotis? Which flour do you use?
I use the regular chakki fresh atta.
Okay. So, do you like to share the first story of your business? I mean, the first day when you... I mean, the first day of your work and how you started. I'm sure
how
you
I
will
started
remember
my business.
the first day. Yes, I'm sure you would remember the first day how it was.
Of course, I remember the first day. Well, I had thought about a business model. I had prepared an entire business proposal. You know, because I needed investors and things like that. So I had decided to go ahead in 2015. not 15, 2010 was my first business. And at that time I was into aviation and hospitality. And in 2010 I had started that business, and it was called Air Buddies Academy.
Okay.
And somehow it didn't work out. So then I went back to, just being a freelance trainer. I used to work with the hotels and continued. But then again I said, okay, fine. The first business didn't work out.
Doesn't mean
that it's not my cup of tea.
Correct. Yeah.
I am going to make a fresh business model and see what I'm really interested in. So I said, it's about time that I take my life in my hands and prove to the world what I'm capable of.
Correct. Yeah.
There were many people who did not approve of it. Many people went to the extent of telling me, "Arey, your first business didn't run, दूसरा भी नहीं चलेगा."
Yeah.
एक नहीं चलता है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि दूसरा भी नहीं चलेगा. Right?
Definitely.
So I said, to hell with all of you. I believed in my proposal. I believed in my business model. And I said, I'm going to do it anyway.
You were very strongly believed in yourself, and you kept going.
And I said, no matter what anybody says, yes, I failed in my first business. And I underwent a huge loss. But this does not...
I'm sure you might have learned a lot of things out of that business as well.
Exactly. I learned what not to do.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
What not to do is what I learned in that particular business.
That was not your...
and that was probably not my destined path.
Right.
And luckily I failed within a year of opening Air Buddies Academy.
I think that was not your failure, Leena. Somewhere I think
it was my learning. According
process.
To the world,
yeah,
it is my failure. But for me, it was my learning. I do not believe in failure whatsoever. It's an experience that you have. It's a learning that you have.
Yeah.
So there is no such thing as I failed at something.
Yeah.
When I decided and I came up, and when I quit my very high-paying job to start off with this new venture of mine called La Phoenix, everybody, first of all, they said, what kind of a name is that? Let's start with the name. And I said, and because the spelling of Phoenix also is something that I changed. I've always wanted to do things very differently.
Yeah.
So I said, let's start with this. And a lot of people said, kya naam hai? Nahi chalega. How much they tried to
Like I told you, people will...
I said, see, the only one person who matters to me the most is my mother. And she was in the hospital at that time. I showed her the business module and I said, this is what I'm thinking of doing and this is my 5-year plan. She was bedridden, she was in the hospital at that time and she couldn't speak much. So she just gave me a thumbs up and she said, this is what you should do.
Mothers are the only
This is what you should do. And that was enough for me in 2018 when she told me this. I quit my job, in 2017 when she told me this. I quit my job by Jan 2018 and then I completely started working only on this business module.
So, Leena, how did you handle yourself during those tough times and how were you so strong during your tough times? I'm sure there is a phase in life where you'll stand alone and do things. You'll have nobody to support you and still you'll have to go on strong. And how did you came out so strong?
See, challenges are a part of life. And during different phases of our life, we have different kinds of challenges.
Yeah, right.
Now, for a small child, his only challenge will be khana, padna.
Right.
That will be his major challenge. So that is a challenge which I also had. Then as you grow up, you have different challenges of life.
Yeah, with your age,
with
your maturity
age,
and everything.
with the people you are surrounded with. All of these things matter. Your environment is very important.
Very important, definitely.
So all of this matters. Now at different phases of life, there are different challenges. And that is a part of life. It is integral part of life. And that is very much needed. It is an experience for your growth, your learning, your evolution to become your highest, best and most authentic self. That is again where mindset comes into the picture. If you say, oh my God, this is a challenge and I'm never going to overcome it, you will never overcome it. All you need to do is face your challenge head on. You know, look at it in the eye and say, I'm going to do it.
Do it. Yeah. That's
And just go
So
ahead
there was-
and do it.
Did you have any day in your life where you're like, nothing is working out, and you're like, no, this is
There
it.
are
I'm not going to
several
do
days.
it. I'm
No,
not going
there
to
are
do it.
several days when that feeling comes in. But it will never be that I will not do it. It will be like, what else can I do if I did not do this? If I cannot do this?
Yeah.
The feeling will come in. I'm a human being at
You
the
look
end
for
of the
a
day.
solution.
Exactly.
for it, yeah,
The
how you
feeling
can
will
do
come
it.
in.
Yes.
Okay. But what are you going to do if this cannot be done? I will never say, oh, I don't know how to make this, so I will not make it.
Okay, what would be that one advice you would want to give every woman out there who's watching you right now, which is gonna inspire them?
One piece of advice to every single woman: know your worth.
Yes.
Don't settle for anything less. Need to start understanding they're truly worth it.
The value.
The value.
worth,
They do not need validation from
the
people.
respect
do
that
not
they
need
really deserve, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Know your worth is my phrase
Right.
for all the women. And every woman out there is worth it.
Yeah.
Every
Every
single
woman
person.
is worth it, and they have their own.
Don't
Everybody is
think
unique in their own way.
You have
I
your
think.
own time to shine. Don't
Yeah,
succumb
there will
to
be a
pressures.
time, right? For
yes,
everyone.
for
yeah.
everything there is a time.
Yeah.
You will get your time to shine.
You just don't have to give up.
You don't need to give up. You just need to make up your mind and keep going.
Yes.
Take one step, the next one will automatically, fall into
See,
place.
Leena, like I can. So, when did you decide to adopt a child? How? I mean, how did you get that thinking in your mind? That how did you decide? Did you have anybody to support you? I mean, your parents or anybody from your family in this decision of yours?
So I'm a student of sociology and psychology, and we used to do a lot of field studies. And this was when I was 16, 17, I'm talking about.
Okay.
We used to go for field studies to old age homes, prostitution centers, brothels, popularly known as, or even orphanages. And when I was 16, I remember having come home, from the orphanage, and I told my mother, I want to adopt a child. And she gave
How
me
old
this.
you were?
16.
Wow.
I just came back from the orphanage after doing the thesis. 17, I was sorry. After
But
my
whatever,
thesis.
you were in your teens.
Yeah.
You yourself were a child. You were a child already.
I came back and I told my mom I want to adopt a child. And she just gave me that stare and she said, okay, come, sit, let's talk. My mother was a person who never reacted to anything.
Okay, she
That is something I need to learn.
I think she first wanted to understand what's
Yes,
going on, and
at
then
the
she
back
would
of my
react on
head.
it. Yes.
So she said, what happened? So I said, no, I want to adopt a child because there are so many children in the world who need a family. And this is something that I really feel from my heart because I couldn't sleep, I couldn't eat for the next 1-2 weeks. I was restless seeing the conditions in the orphanage.
Yeah.
And my heart really went out because even when you step into the orphanage, majority are girls.
Yeah.
There are very few boys available.
Yeah, girls, yes.
I don't even want to use the word available because it feels like there are some kind of products who are just
True,
there out
yeah,
in the market.
Yes.
But it is a very sad state of affairs, and I hope this video does reach out. This message reaches out to
As
authorities.
many as-
To do something.
Okay, till now, what is the toughest challenge you've ever faced as a woman? Have you ever?
Toughest challenge as a woman. Maybe when it came to pay, because men are generally paid a little more than women. But again, like I said, it's all about the mind, right? So, since it's about the mind, I didn't want to sit and crib and cry and say,
मेरे को
oh,
कम मिल
my
रहा है, उसको ज़्यादा है,
contemporary.
ये वो वैसा.
हाँ, I didn't want to do all that.
You just went with the flow and
No,
everything.
I said, what is it that he is doing differently that I can do so that I can get paid like how he does?
Oh wow, yeah, yeah.
The
Again,
drama
it's
completely chicken.
देख लो.
So now what we'll do is add, we've ground the paste, okay? So now here in goes the
Coconut oil.
coconut oil. 3 good nice
Oh
teaspoons
wow,
of
इतना सारा
tablespoons
यहाँ
of
पर है. Okay.
fry the onions. Okay? Till they are nice golden brown. So what is your everyday khana?
My everyday khana is, like I told you, I have changed into a very healthy kind of a lifestyle right now. No seed oils, no aisa waisa khana. Everything is kind of healthy kind of a stuff I am eating right now. A lot of proteins, which will keep me, fuller for a long time, and so that I'm not so hungry and I want to just grab anything and eat off.
Yeah.
Also the snacks I'm talking about. Everything is kind of healthy stuff now. Yeah.
But I'm so proud of you. See how far you have come.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. That is so sweet of you, Lina.
Hey, no, yeah. We shall add chicken in this.
Yes, please.
So that it doesn't burn.
Yeah.
A little bit of that water. No? Now next you go on and add the masala which has been ground to the chicken.
So we'll
We'll cook
start
it all
adding the
together.
spices. Okay.
Okay, we'll start.
Adding the spices.
We'll just mix it up so that there's no ground masala the chicken is in. Now we take out tamarind juice. Okay, the pulp.
So you
We
add
just
that.
add the pulp first. Second is we will go ahead and
Coconut
add
milk.
a little bit of coconut milk.
Little bit, not the whole thing.
Not the whole thing. Maybe half of this quantity.
You keep it little bit for the last. Okay.
Now we will cover this and cook it.
Okay.
But before we cover this and cook it,
Sure.
just और कोई भी पीस नहीं खाती हूँ मैं.
So you're not going to add this red chili and haldi in this?
नहीं हो गया, हो गया.
Okay. So everything is done now.
Done.
Let it cook.
ये बस अभी पकना बाकी है. हो गया.
खलास.
तब तक हम वो इंटरव्यू कर लेते हैं.
चलो.
क्योंकि मुझे ना आज.
Okay. So, Lina, what's being more challenging for you, being a mother or being a boss?
Both have
कहाँ पे
their
ज़्यादा
fair
चलती है तुम्हारी?
bit. कहीं पर भी नहीं.
Okay. So, how important is self-care for you?
Very important. I have a weekly routine. I have a monthly
Okay,
routine.
let's talk about your routine. What is your routine from the time you wake up from once you're out from bed and how?
So for me, my mental health is very important. So my mornings look like this. The minute I wake up, first thing I do is make my bed. Because I think that sets the tone for the entire day.
Yeah.
You know, the minute I wake up, there's nothing else I do. First thing is to make my bed. Because I read this quote somewhere a long time ago. A messy bed is a messy head.
Yeah.
And I think I've lived by it. That's the first
Discipline.
thing. Yes.
Being disciplined in life
absolutely.
is so important.
So I make my bed first. And after that, because I wake up by 4:30 or 5. Sometimes I don't even sleep until 4 and then, I have to get back to the next day's routine. But at times, when I get the sleep and all that, when I wake up at 4:30 in the morning, first thing is I make my bed. Second thing is I've started having ajwain
Okay.
water.
The ajwain water.
Yeah.
You soak it overnight?
I soak ajwain in water overnight. In warm water, I leave it. Lot of people ajwain or methi sometimes. I keep alternating because I
Okay.
get bored.
Yeah, understand. Yeah, I
Same
know.
thing. It becomes because
Yeah,
one
the
is the
same
taste
thing.
is
Yeah,
horrible.
yeah, right.
But then I'm doing around only for health reasons. So I keep alternating between the two. So once you can either strain it or you can just drink it and you can chew that also. but then I strain it because I don't like it in any case.
Yeah,
Okay?
you can't chew that.
Yeah, you can't chew
Even
that and
sorry to cut you, but I also drink ajwain ka thing and also the methi. But somewhere I saw that you'll have to chew it to get more benefits out of it. But
So I've heard.
I'm like, no, I don't want those benefits because I tried once. It is so kadwa. You can't eat. You can't chew it.
Yes,
No
it
way.
becomes too kadwa.
That pani only is, I don't know how I'm doing it.
I
But
know.
like you said, it's only for your health. ka
Health
thing.
reasons.
Once, like I said, once you start loving yourself, once like we are talking on our self-care. Once you start loving yourself and once you start prioritizing yourself, these things you will do it. By
Yes.
hook or crook, you will do it.
Yes.
Anytime, रात में कितना भी time हो जाए, whatever, I have to go to my kitchen. I have to soak all these things, and in the morning I have to drink.
Yes, yes.
Before trust me, I used to laugh when I would hear all these things. I used to laugh. What? How would you even drink that water?
Yeah.
Karke. So now, that time I was not on my thing. I was, like I said, I never gave so importance to myself. So now that alarm.
Yeah. जाने के लिए.
Really? Okay,
No,
but you are so kind of.
I'll give you
I've
some
seen
very
the whole
inspiring.
journey of yours. Like we know personally, right? So I have already seen a lot of things. I mean, your journey is so mashallah, good, so inspiring, so encouraging, so motivating
Thank you,
for
sir.
other women. And I am sure people, other women who are watching this show right now, watch and they watch the whole show and they understand how it works, and it really motivates them to go for it. But you are surrounded with all these women as well, right? So it is so beautiful to have a woman. I mean, like you said, a woman has to support another woman.
Yeah.
That is so important. Yeah, I can't be.
And I'm so blessed that way. Most of the women in my life, rather, right from my models, my team, my friends, because I'm very picky and choosy about friends. I don't befriend everybody. I talk to everybody. But there are only few I call friends. And they are on my fingertips.
For sure.
In your lifetime, even if you have two good friends, I mean, it's more than enough.
Yes.
Gone are the days when I used to believe in having a huge group of friends.
This,
and I told you, it's
just
so
name it,
inspiring to see your journey from where you were to how you've come. You sit at home and you do stuff. And it's incredible, Zoya. Seriously.
See, my thing is like, I was a very...
The whole idea is, I am saying, even if you're a homemaker,
Yes.
keep yourself busy doing something. You don't have to go out and work.
See, it doesn't mean that you'll have to have your own empire, business empire, or you'll have to set up all of those things. No, you're good at cooking. I saw I was capable of doing this. I started doing it.
Exactly.
That's it. I didn't want it who's thinking she's cooking and selling food. I don't care, boss. I like it, I do it. Surround myself with people who are going to respect me. On the table, if I don't have a respect, if they don't value me, if they don't encourage me, you're not my cup of tea.
Yes.
You be in your life.
Where respect is not served, you just walk off.
Yeah, that's it.
Respect and honesty are like deal breakers for me. If somebody is not, could be my relative.
I recently, I came across this guy. I don't know what is his name on Instagram. He was saying, "Show me your friends. I'll tell you
your
destiny and your life and your success, about your success, or whatever is going to happen in your life. I'll tell you your lifestyle." So that was so, that really hit me. And not only friends I'm talking about, let it be even your family members or whoever it is. If they are not giving you the respect, and if they are not supporting you in
wanted
certain
to come to that. It's not
then
just
khalas.
friends.
So let's do this or that.
This or that. This or that.
This or that. So a coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Okay. So you already said you're a coffee lover. Heels or flats? Which one you're comfortable with?
Depends on the mood.
And also the outfit.
Also the outfit.
Right. Okay, so pizza or salad?
Pizza.
No salad. I was expecting salad after looking at you.
I told you I'm a foodie.
Okay, right. So cook at home or dine out?
Cook at home. Dine out on occasions.
Yeah, definitely. Yes. Yoga or strength training?
Strength.
So do you work out every day or how is it? Alternate days or how does it?
Alternate days.
Okay. You hit gym or
Yeah.
you do it at home?
No, I used to hit the gym. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I run on the beach.
Oh yeah, that is an amazing thing. Biryani or pulao?
Biryani. Mutton biryani, that too.
If you say
I don't-
pulao, no, that's it. I would never call you when I'm making biryani. When it's biryani, it's nothing. It's
It
only
has
biryani.
to be mutton.
Dosa or idli?
Idli.
Idli. No dosa?
Idli with butter.
Really? I've not tried idli.
Hot
with butter.
idli, like you put the idli in the micro for a minute
Hmm.
and put like hot butter. Oh my god, I've been eating it. Last 5 days I've eaten it over
Okay,
here.
so you make idli dosa at home or you get it in somewhere
At
in
home.
Goa?
At home.
you make the batter
At
at breakfast. Okay, so butter chicken or paneer tikka masala?
None.
You don't like chicken, that is why. Okay, palak paneer or tandoori chicken? Or tandoori chicken ka skin?
Because you know I like the skin.
Goan fish curry or Mangalorean?
Mangalorean fish curry, any day.
Any day. But
I am
Goan and
Mangi.
Mangalorean is not similar. How does the
It's
taste?
slightly
But the
different.
ingredients are very much similar, right?
Ingredients are similar. It's just that
The
Goans
cooking
use,
style is different.
Yeah, the cooking style is different, and Goans use vinegar instead of tamarind.
Acha.
We use more of tamarind, and they have 2-3 other ingredients.
They use
that
this
add
called
for
kokum
everything.
also, right?
Kokum is for
Kokum.
everything. Kokum
Or
even
Goa.
Mangaloreans use.
Acha.
We also use
Bengaluru or Goa? Which one?
any day Bangalore.
Yeah, Bangalore is best. You can't get this vibe.
Oh my God, Rajinagar. तो वहाँ से सीख लिया था तभी.
अच्छा. Okay, tell me one thing. So अभी इस language में उर्दू में that you know the Bangalorean kind of Urdu. Tell something in Urdu. Maybe.
Oh my God, this I was not even expecting.
No.
I'm not coming on this show ever again.
You have to do it. You have to tell. We are not going to end the show without.
I don't know how to do it. I forgot it.
What a shame! You're born in Bangalore. You tell me about Kannada. I'm so fluent in Kannada. I can talk aram se Kannada. You don't know Urdu.
No, hold on. I told you just now this was back college days when we
Okay.
used to go Sulaimani पीने के लिए. उसके बाद now you take me for
Try तो करो
Sulaimani.
बाबा. Do you
नहीं
try?
अभी you take me for Sulaimani चाय.
अरे यार, I'll make you Sulaimani here only. That kind of a Sulaimani I'll make it.
नहीं वो ताज के बगल में जो सुलेमानी है ना उसी से चाहिए.
वो सुलेमान है नहीं है, अभी पता भी नहीं वो सुलेमान. तुम जाते थे 20 साल पहले. I don't know whether Suleiman is making Suleimani right now. I'm not sure. if he's there.
तभी वो 40 साल का था अभी तो पता नहीं कहाँ है वो.
वही. So you anything, whatever words you have.
You
heard,
tell
it will be
me.
so much fun. If I tell you what will be the thing, you'll have.
मुझे नहीं आता. Okay ठीक है कुछ और. See because whenever I talk in any other language, no,
कुछ
including
भी
my mother
यार.
tongue, okay, including my mother tongue, Konkani people make fun.
Any one word you know at least. Any one word. आओ जाओ something like that.
आओ जाओ तो they don't say.
हाँ. अरे.
अरे जा रे.
Okay. So not even one
Oh
word.
my
you
God, everybody is going to come and kill me. But I love them. I love, you know, the people. I have so many people who follow Islam. I have a lot of Muslim friends, including you.
know. Yeah.
You know, and I think there are some of the nicest people I've met.
Yeah.
You know, some of them. And the food is so incredible.
Yeah, Bangalore.
And I just, you know,
Our
and
biryani also is so good. The shadi ki
nice to
biryani.
know. And during Eid also, no, Mosque Road pe, I to wait for Eid like even more than you people. I think I am the one who waits.
The
वो Mosque Road
the
पे ना,
Ramadan Mela. Yeah.
Mosque Road पे जाके खाना खाने के लिए. So I think it's so beautiful to have so many different cultures
Yeah,
in
see
India.
that. Okay.
Oh
so
God!
that
But
was
thank
it.
you so much, Zoya, for this opportunity. I am.
Thank you so
thrilled.
much for coming here. And
I'm so
accepting
thrilled that you
the-
actually called me and you thought of doing this with me. So I'll always be grateful to you for that. Thank you very
Pleasure
much.
is all mine,
And
Leena.
I hope you
like
do.
I told you, you are one of a kind and one of the inspiring women that I know.
Thank you.
Also, yeah.
After 20 years
Women
of knowing
inspire women goes so well.
you. Thank you.
Seriously.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It does with you too.
Thank you so much for making, taking out the time in such a busy day of your schedule and coming here and spending time with me.
Always there.
And how can I forget cooking for us, for me and for us, obviously. And I'm going to taste your food for the first time.
I know. In 20.
But anyway, having said that, like I told you, even now, I've been seeing the whole journey of yours from here to here and how it all happened. And now that today you were totally, shared everything without even, asking me a question about it. It was so. You just said, I just asked you, Leena, are you okay to answer all the questions? You're just like, anything I will answer. That is so sportively taken and so good.